So I see that some people are actually curious about how actually doing this using the light kill switch for Sanwa transmitter. Here I'm using a Sanwa transmitter. So technically, since there's no explanation on how to do the channel 3 toggling, so right, so here what you should do. So go to system, go into aux type, get the aux to into 2-point aux. I'm using aux to channel or channel 4 for the light kill switch. So also that you need to get back again, key assign, make sure you do the switch aux2 into toggle. So this one right here, yep. So once you've done that, you go into aux2, make sure you set to 867 for position 2, and you do L76 for position 1. Then how you actually do it, it's very simple. I put the trim here, so if you go into where is it, yeah, the position, I changed the trim 4 into trim 4, trim type, where's the button, key assign, trim 4 into aux2, right? So what you need to do is just very simple, just go into like this. So change mode along with this, so it's off, it's on, change mode, and off. Right, hope this helps. Bye.